The table saw is used for making precise, straight cuts on wood and other materials such as plastics. The table saw is one of the most dangerous tools in the makerspace, so you should be practicing proper safety when using it. This machine has a fence, which can be moved as necessary to set the size of your cut and locked in place using this lever. You can measure the distance between your blade and the fence using the ruler on the table saw. When using a machine with a fence, always make sure that your material is pressed against the fence throughout your cut. You can raise and lower the blade to the required level using a wheel. You don't need the blade to be fully exposed while you cut. It should only protrude about 3/4 of an inch above your material. When using the table saw, you should be using two hands to guide your material into the blade. One hand should be pushing the material against the fence, while the other should be pushing the material into the saw. If the space between the saw and the fence is too small, use a push stick. Turn the saw on by hitting the green button. When using the saw, do not stand directly behind the blade or the material. If the material catches, it can be launched backwards with enough force to bury itself in the hill. Always be mindful of what is behind the material. Make sure your material is not touching the saw when you turn it on. Once your cut is finished, do not attempt to pull your material back or catch it. Let it fall off the table and collect it later once the saw is off.